¿Dónde estás?
Rockstar, man.
Un saludo, Rojito.
¿Dónde estás? ¿De dónde eres todos?
De Chile.
Chile, Puerto Vallarta, Colombia, Guadalajara. ¡Qué chimba! Sí.
De Santiago de Chile.
Oh, Chile, Perú,
Santiago Tahuantinsuyo.
Brasil.
¿Cómo que Perú?
I'm gonna stop in here, grab a beer before I, go outside tonight. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good.
You got a podcast or something?
No, just vlogging. What are you up to?
I don't know, man. Just trying to figure out what to do with the evening. Vancouver's not like the same as it used to be.
What was it like before?
Before there'd be like a lot of secret and back doors, you know what I mean? Spots where you can knock on one door and you go upstairs and explore, and it's 24 hours, right? And like, and like there's music galore, and then there's another back room.
So my question, everyone keeps talking about this street. Is it Granville? Granville Street?
Yeah, you want me to see you there?
Is it lit? I know it's Sunday night, but I think there I can like bar hop and stuff, right?
Yeah, it's gonna get lit if I get my shit soon. I've been on this weird thing where, I don't know, man, if you wouldn't believe it. Have you heard of a thing called V2K or like the voice of God technology?
I heard of AI, but
Yeah, exactly, that's what it is.
yeah, but no, nice meeting you, brother. Yeah, okay. How are you, brother? I'm back here before I start my night.
What's that?
I said I'm back here before I start my night.
Where's your night? Where you
Shane,
going? Rush Hour the Roxy?
this is Massimo, the man.
You videotaping your whole night?
What'd you say?
You videotaping your whole night?
Yeah, I mean, like that's I'm gonna do my best. Hey, what's up, guys? So we're here in Vancouver, Canada. Here's my loft. I got a loft on Airbnb. It's pretty cool. It's in a city called Gastown. However, what I didn't know about Gastown was that there's a huge homeless population here. When you walk outside and run into an abundance of homeless people. Oh, and by the way, in Vancouver, they do not have AC. That's another main point that I did. It was really hot. And I was like, where the fuck is the AC at? And the Airbnb host texted me that they don't have AC here. And then my friend told me that that's true. I guess because it gets pretty cold in the winter. Hey, excuse me, do you know if there's bars down there? Like bars, drinking? Is this a street to walk down?
Yeah.
Where's all the action?
There's a bunch just like on the corner there.
This corner?
The next street.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
What's the name of the street? Water Street. Thanks. Water Street. Hey, what's up, guys? I'm here on Water Street in Vancouver, Canada. Apparently, this is the street where it's happening. This is where I could find all the nice bars and stuff like that. Very green here. Very green. It's a pretty peaceful place. I didn't go out on Saturday night, so I'm not sure what it's like during that time. But, you know, I'm gonna go try to grab a drink at a bar nearby and see what I could do. Hey, bud. Evan. So what I was saying in my other video is that Vancouver, it's cool. One thing that they don't tell you about is that there's a lot of fucking homeless people here. And, you know, I live in LA, so I thought there's nothing that I could see or do that would make me perplexed about, you know, seeing transients. But Gastown and the street called Hastings is the projects for the homeless people. And I literally probably saw like three or four homeless people OD in broad daylight. Never seen that in LA, you know. Everyone I talk to about Gastown, they're like, look at the ground, make sure you don't get stabbed, you know, with needles and shit like that. So there's that aspect of it. However, you guys know my Airbnb is sick, right? But yeah, it's just some things I wish I would have known when I came here.